Hola amigos, vamos de compras. Esta unidad es de shopping en el mercado. So when you travel, it's fun to buy souvenirs. Los artículos. Repitan, los artículos. Barato. La escultura. Fino. Los artículos. Una ganga. Like a real good deal. Una ganga. I love that. La pintura. The painting. El retrato. The portrait. Único. Estar hecho a mano. Made by hand. Ser de cerámica. Fino. Ser de cuero. Leather, cuero. Ser de madera. We're going to use the verb ser here because it's not going to tomorrow be made of something else, right? So we use ser for things that are permanent. Ser de metal. Una ganga. Ser de oro. ¿Y qué significa? Did you get it? Sí, barato. ¿Cómo se dice unique? Único. Ser de piedra, made of stone, ¿sí? Ser de plata. ¿Recuerdas? El retrato, sí, el retrato. Con mucho gusto. Con mucho gusto. These are phrases that in this unit we're going to use when we are in the marketplace. One of the great fun things to do in Central and South America is barter for things and talk to the people who are selling things. So you want to use all these polite sayings. Con permiso, excuse me. De nada, de nada. Disculpe would be what you'd use for excuse me if you run right into someone. No hay de qué. That's like de nada. No hay de qué. No big deal. Pase. Perdóneme. This is when you're really sorry because you did something. Me deja ver. This is, would you allow me to see something? Me deja ver, when you're trying to see a certain ring in a display case. This is kind of a funny picture. But me deja ver you would use to say, hey, could you let me see that shirt that's on the top shelf? ¿Cómo se dice? Con permiso. And this one? Perdóneme. De nada. Con mucho gusto. And try that. Me deja ver. Pase. No hay de qué. No hay de qué. Okay, if we were together, we would do this, but we're not. So miss you and hope that helped. This is expansion vocabulary.